Yeah, y'all know what it is. Katy Perry, Juicy J. Let's rage.
I knew you were gonna come to me, and here you are. But you better choose carefully, 'cause I'm capable